All right, this is going to be a lesson on modes. You've probably heard the term modes and maybe you don't know exactly what that means. Well, basically what it means is if you take a major scale, you take all the notes of a major scale. For instance, we'll do the E major scale. If you started that scale on any note besides this E note, say if you started on the F sharp note, the second note of that scale, it has a completely different sound. So starting on each different note of a major scale gives you a different kind of sound effect. And so they've named all those different sound effects. That's what modes are. If we go back to the beginning of a major scale, we have a pattern called whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. And that means you start on the E note and you go up a whole step. So that would be 2 frets. That would put us on F sharp. Now we want another whole step. That's whole, whole, half. So we're going to have 2 whole steps in a row. So we have open to 2 is 1 whole step, 2 to 4 is the next whole step. Then we have a half step, 1 fret. So these notes are E, F sharp, G sharp, and A. So we had whole, whole, half. Now we have 3 whole steps in a row. So we're going to go from A to B, 2 frets, B to C sharp, 2 frets, and then we need 2 more frets because we have another whole step. So we go up here to this D sharp, and then we're to our E, which was our beginning note, our root note. So E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. So that's called the Ionian mode. That's like the major scale basic mode. So some easy chords you could use with this scale, this major scale, would be like the E, goes some A, you could do some B7, back to E. That'd be like your 1, 4, and 5 chords for that key. So those would be common chords, happy-go-lucky chords. Now if we wanted to look at this scale here in like one area, so we didn't have to go all the way up the neck, we could look at it like this. 2 and 4, 1, 2, 4, and then here we're gonna go 2, 4, 5. That would be 1 whole octave of that scale. Now we could keep going and add some more notes and get these notes up here. We could also include that one, but this 2 is our root note, our E. So this is the E major scale. So how about you play that scale? I'm going to play these chords a bit. 3, 4. Okay, so just to keep it moving, we're going to look at another mode that comes right out of the major scale, but it only has 1 different note to it. But it would change the chords that we're going to play, and it actually changes the key that we're in. And so everything becomes a little bit different. It's a different mode. So just like I said, everything has a different sound effect, every mode. So this one is going to have all these same major notes, except for this last one is going to go down a half step. That's called a flat 7. Because if you look at the numbers of the scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The normal 7 would be up here, but this one is a half step. So this is called the Mixolydian mode. So that's a D note now that we have. So one thing we're going to do is we're going to use the E chord. We're going to go to a D chord. So those are going to be our 2 chords we're going to use for this Mixolydian mode. So you can play all these notes to solo. And our scale over here changes to, we're going to have this 3 here instead of that 4 that we had before. So it's a major scale, but it just has 1 different note. All these notes are the same, but that 1 note is different. And when we come down here, that note is the open D. Right? So we're going to use the open in the 2 here. We still start on this because that's like our, feels like our tonal center. That's what they call that. Got that 3 there. Otherwise, it's the same scale. We also have open down here to that. So I'm going to play the E to the D chords, and how about you guys solo using this mode, the Mixolydian mode, okay? 3, 4. Okay, so let's look at that mode again. So we do the open. Now, what if we wanted to come up the neck here and play it up in a higher place? So here's an E right here, this 9th fret of the G string. We have this scale up here, 12, 10, 9, 12, 10, 9, 11, 9. And then we could go down to this one, 12, 11, 9. But we know this is our root note, and that's our root note, the octave there. So, okay, and there's our E chord it's based on. Okay, so how about soloing up in this area, and I'll do the E and D chords again. 3, 4. So let's look at one more mode. Now this is the Lydian mode. This is another major scale mode, but this one has a raised 4th note. These other notes are the same, but when you get to the octave of that, it's a 6 up here. 6, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 4, 3, 1, 4, 2, and then we're back to having this 1 down here below our root note. So it's a major one, but it doesn't have that flat 7 bluesy note. It has a normal 7th note, but it does have this higher 4 than a normal major scale would have. So what that ends up doing is it ends up bringing in the note from this F sharp. So here we're going to have an E to a F sharp, both majors progression. So it's kind of like a Mixolydian, but it's kind of moving in the different direction. Because the Lydian starts on the 4th note of a scale, and the Mixolydian starts on the 5th note of the scale. So they're right there next to each other, these modes. They're kind of the same thing, but it's kind of which one you're leaning on as the root. So in this case, we're going to go E to F sharp, and you got your scale. Now see how that note is special to this F sharp chord. So you'd want to use this note a lot. You might not use it so much over this one. You might use it a little bit more over that one. But if you like that kind of outside of the normal sounds, that's going to be a good note for you to use right there. And it's that 6 down here. Okay, so let's try that. 3 and 4 and. So for the basic major scale in E that we started with, so this is the E major. We're starting on this 9th fret G string. And then the Mixolydian has the flat 7, so it starts out the same. There's our flat 7. And the Lydian has the sharp 4th, so it starts out the same, but it has this 4th note as sharp. So that note. Okay, so that's the difference. You got major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then Mixolydian has a flat 7. And Lydian has a sharp 4. All right, so that's the 3 different major modes. So I'll talk about the minor modes next time. Thanks for watching.